how to find the missing documents folder on your MacBook computer. So if you've accidentally deleted this folder called Documents, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and retrieve this. So the first step is you'll need to click on your Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen and then press System Settings. Now click on your profile name and then select iCloud. Click on Drive, make sure Sync This Mac is turned on, and also go and enable Desktop and Documents folders. Once you've done this, you may get a pop-up asking you to add the Documents folder. Make sure to click Allow. You can then head back over to the Finder and check to see if you can now see your documents. Now, if it's still not working, come back over to this window and try turning off the Desktop and Documents folders. You can also try toggling off Sync This Mac and then just press Remove. You can then head back over to your Finder and you can check to see if you can find your Documents folder. Now, if it's still not working, click on Finder in the top navigation and press Settings. Click on the sidebar and you should see this option for Documents. Make sure this is turned on like you see here. You can then head back over to this window and click on Documents, and you should now be able to find all of your local documents. Now, if your documents are missing or you still can't see the folder, you can try clicking on your profile name from the left-hand side, and you may see an option here for iCloud Drive Archive. Click on this. You should be able to find your documents. Go and double click on it. Click on this folder here, and here you'll be able to find all of your saved documents. So you can just go and drag this folder over to the sidebar like so, and that's another way to restore your documents.